Every filmmaker knows audio can make or break a story. This is the Hollyland Lark Max 2, not just another wireless mic, a system built for clarity and even chaos.
It was fascination, I know, and it might have did it right there at the start. Just a random talk, just a passing joke, and I might have gone on my way, broken-hearted. It was fascination, I know. Press record, and the next moment it caught it. Lark Max 2 made it go. Lark Max 2. Lark Max 2. Lark Max 2. Chat to the secrets they show. Then I press record, and the next moment it caught it. Lark Max 2 made it blow.
All right, what comes in the bag? You get a charging case that houses your receiver and its touchscreen. There's a dial on the front that's very easy to use to navigate throughout the menu. You get 2 transmitters that come with wind protection. And you also get a USB-C receiver for smartphones. One of my favorite features is the new OWS earphones, built for wireless monitoring straight from the receiver, giving creators the freedom without cables. Lightweight, compact, a clear touchscreen interface. Hollyland definitely designed this system for creators on the move. It's so portable, so easy to use. It just feels perfect. What you guys are experiencing right now is the Lark Max 2 with noise cancellation turned on. So we have the lawn service guys out here right now taking care of the lawn. So what better time to test the Lark Max 2 when you have, especially the noise cancellation, when you have a lot of activity going on outside. Also, it sounds like a plane is taking off right now as well. I live by the airport, so it is very noisy at times, you know, depending on what's going on or what time of the year it is or whatnot. So right now it's obviously summer, so grass is growing, so it needs to be cut, and people are coming in and out of Atlanta. All right, so let's turn off noise cancellation. All right, noise cancellation is off. I'm also recording internally in here. Let me double check. Yes, I'm recording internally at 32-bit float. I also have the receiver plugged up directly to the red Komodo, and that's recording directly into the camera. So later on in post, if I decide to use it, I got two options. I got the 32-bit float audio that's recording right here. Then I also have the audio coming from this transmitter recording directly into the red Komodo. And I'm also recording audio internally on the red Komodo. So I know a lot of people sometimes complain about when you're using these styles of mics, you kind of get rid of the ambient sound and everything. You know, you don't have that real natural feel. I also decided to record internally on the red Komodo, even though I may not use it because it's not that great. It's more like scratch audio. But with AI and things in compression and all these different tools we have now, you can really use whatever you want, man. And then at the end of the day, we are all watching and listening to things on our phone. So it ain't like you're not in a movie theater, you know, you're watching it on your phone. I don't think that even recording internally for like videos like this for scratch audio that you can like process later, I don't think it's a bad deal at all. So yeah, so this is an audio test. You guys let me know. Let's turn on noise cancellation again. Noise cancellation is on, and it has quieted down a lot more because the guys, I guess, they may be done for the day, not sure. So that is with noise cancellation turned on. So this is more of a quality test. Let's turn off noise cancellation. This is more of a quality test. You guys let me know in the comments what you think about this sound. Does it sound big? Does it sound like, do you have a lot of hissing? Do you hear a lot of pops when I'm talking? Pop, pop, pop. Let me know if you hear any kind of pops or any clipping or anything like that in the comments. But from what I've seen online, these mics are amazing. I can't wait to see what it sounds like once we go back into the studio and I'll edit everything together to see what it sounds like. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna perform a range test. I'm gonna walk back step by step so you guys can hear the performance as the transmitter and receiver move further and further away from each other. Let's get into the test. Okay, this is a range test. I am now about 50 feet away from the camera. I'm gonna walk backwards now and check later in post to see if the audio, internal audio, recording inside the red Komodo drops or not. So let's get into it. Testing. All right, so now I'm about 200 feet away. And we're gonna turn on noise cancellation. Audio, I don't know. We'll see how this audio goes. I am recording internally as well. So I'm walking. This is a test. Audio test. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now, the red Komodo signal has dropped from the phone. So I don't know what's going on, but I am walking. I do not have signal on my app for the red Komodo, and I am still walking away from the camera. All right, I'm stopping now and turning around and coming back. This is pretty far, so we're gonna see if the audio drops or not. So I'm coming back now. Right now I don't have signal on the red control app. See if I can connect. Currently do not have signal on the control app. I am back, let's say at about maybe 50 feet. So that is the range test. We're gonna jump into Adobe Premiere and see if the audio dropped at any point. I'm not for sure, but I did record internally, which is a great thing. The camera did lose signal to the app, but like I said, I am recording internally, so I don't think there should be an issue, but we will check it out. All right, you guys, this is the final test. This is a test of the OWS monitoring system. Hollyland has given us probably one of the best features of late. That is the ability to monitor your sound. I can't say this enough. A lot of times, filmmakers, we tend to move so fast and forget to do certain small things like turn on your audio or turn on your recording or even check to make sure that you are getting a signal. Well, with this monitoring system, you're not only able to safeguard that you are recording, but you're also able to monitor and make sure that you're getting a quality sound. Okay, so that concludes the real world testing. I'm gonna catch you guys back in the office. Let's get it. This is the Hollyland Lark Max 2. Wireless monitoring, noise cancellation, and 32-bit float recording. Built for creators who demand more than just sound, they demand clarity. It's your boy Tony Fair from Teflon Media. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Can you hear me now?